Hi everybody, my first live from Vegas. So I'm just stood in the car park from the hotel because it's the only quiet place that I can actually do a video from. So I've just finished working out at the gym. Love the gym, it's absolutely amazing here. Everything is just on supersized scale. It's boiling as well today. So it's the hottest day since I've been here, which is great. So in a few hours I'm moving from the Palms Hotel. I'm then going down to the Green Valley Ranch, I think it's called, and that's then the start of a 3-day marketing mastermind event. And we're having a pool party today where we're all going to get to meet each other, so really looking forward to that. So there'll be lots of familiar faces that I know through Facebook that I'm meeting for the very first time, so really looking forward to changing my virtual buddies into real life friends. So you'll have to excuse nice car. There's loads of nice cars out here. So I just wanted to do a really quick live just to talk. Did you hear that? You just said get your boobs out. How embarrassing. So it's just sorry, it's just totally thrown me. Only that can happen in Vegas. So I just wanted to do a really quick video just to talk about having multiple income streams and the benefit of doing that. So it doesn't matter what business you're in, what industry, what niche, you really need to be having multiple income streams. I want you to imagine if you had 100 people in a room with you and you said to everybody, I want you to eat a burger. Not all those 100 people would eat a burger. So you'd have vegetarians, you'd have vegans, and therefore you have to have more options to appeal to more people. So the McDonald's franchise, for example, isn't as big as it is today because it sells burgers. Burgers are just a very, very small amount of the whole of McDonald's range. So if you think about how successful McDonald's is, it's because they have the famous line of, do you want fries with that? Do you want to supersize it? Do you want a drink? Do you want a dessert? And your business model has to be exactly the same. So you need to be really thinking about other ways that you can get more money into your business, helping more people, but without having to do any extra work really. And this is where the cryptocurrency market is just taking off by storm. And the reason why is because it's a passive income stream. So therefore people are able to have a cryptocurrency business running in the background of their main business. There's lots of pervy men around here. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this from the car park. I hope I don't get kidnapped. Sorry, it's just totally thrown me. There's like guys driving around circling me like sharks. So passive income stream. So I'm involved in one called BitConnect, and the reason why that works so well is because it's all on autopilot. So we have a complete sales funnel done for us. Once you do your lending, that is it, and you get paid 1 to 2% daily. So even if you've got a partner that wants to earn an additional source of income but would never be like a network marketer, doesn't want to recruit, this is perfect for them. You can even set up an account for, your children as an additional business, and therefore, think about their career long term, because you can have multiple accounts set up. So therefore, you can be looking after your children long term, because gone are the days of saving accounts in banks because the interest is just too low. So if you start getting invested into cryptocurrency, it's just rocketing. Now, BitConnect that I'm in was number 13 3 weeks ago on the cryptocurrency market, and it's already rocketed to number 9. And as Bitcoin goes up, so does BitConnect. So if any of you are interested to join my team and my business, then please by all means reach out to me. I fully support anybody as a newbie. I mentor you throughout. I'll also help to show you how to recruit on Facebook using free strategies. But our sales funnel also has the sales funnel is basically set up so it has your e-wallet to be able to fund your Bitcoin to start with. It then has the BitConnect link to it as well, and then we also now have a paid traffic source. So if you want to do it completely on autopilot and you don't want to recruit through Facebook, but you actually want to generate your own leads and drive traffic to it, then we now have a complete sales funnel. And my mentor, he's an 8-figure earner. He's the one that's put all of this together, so our team is really, really grateful for that. And we're currently doing 20k a week in team sales, and we've only been doing this for 3 weeks, so we are absolutely rocking it as a team. So let that be you know, an incentive to you guys. If you join, then you're joining an amazing team. We have amazing energy, and you know, we really are going places. But you don't have to know anything about cryptocurrency to get into the cryptocurrency market, because we're going to be here to guide you the whole way and to help you. And you know, you can start with as little as $100, but the main people that are thinking about this long term and thinking big are investing anything from 5, 10k upwards. But there's no pressure, you can join low and you can invest over time. So I just wanted to just share this with you. So I'm going to go now and go and get ready and get finished packing before I move hotels. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye!